Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the scoop on what's hot and what's not. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about: the BITEPASS Smart Video Doorbell Camera. The BITEPASS Smart Video Doorbell Camera is a game-changer in home security technology. Let's break down why this product is creating such a buzz. First off, let's talk about its eye-driven human recognition feature. Powered by artificial intelligence, this doorbell camera accurately identifies human movement, filtering out irrelevant motion like passing cars or swaying trees. Say goodbye to false alarms and hello to peace of mind. With the BITEPASS doorbell camera, you'll never miss a beat, day or night. Thanks to its advanced night vision capability and 6 infrared lights, you'll get crystal clear video recordings, even in poorly lit conditions. And here's the kicker: real-time two-way communication. Yes, you heard that right. You can engage in live conversations with visitors from anywhere, giving you complete control over your home security. But wait, there's more. The BITEPASS Smart Video Doorbell Camera comes with a bonus doorbell chime. You can place it anywhere in your home for immediate notifications. Plus, you can pair several chimes to a single doorbell for added convenience. Now, let's talk about storage. With BITEPASS, your data is secure with AES-128 encrypted cloud storage. You can opt for a subscription for an enhanced user experience, or take advantage of the 30-day trial for continuous recording and sharing. So, whether you're concerned about security, convenience, or both, the BITEPASS Smart Video Doorbell Camera has got you covered. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, it's a must-have for any modern home. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, stay safe and stay savvy.